Okay, guys, I want to show you how to set up your bulk mailer, which is the solo email sender that's a part of your Build My Income Daily Lifetime Pro membership. It's very simple for the software. I mean, once you download the file, it's going to give you a zip like this. If you're looking at this video, then you should already unzip the file. Well, what you're going to then do next is you're going to see a file that looks like this right here, solo email sender.php. Now, you don't need to edit this. You don't need to do anything to this file right here, okay? What you're going to need to do is log into your hosting account. Wherever it is that you have hosting, you're going to log in and you're going to upload this file to your hosting account. For those of you that are using Windows, I'm going to show you an easy way to log in to your hosting account. For those of you that use Mac or something else, you can use FileZilla or whatever FTP protocol software that you use. You can use that in order to log into your hosting account. So what you're going to do, for those of you that are using Windows, you're going to open up a document. It doesn't matter which document it is. For those of you that are using Windows 8, you're probably going to have to go to download, or if you can go to one of the tiles on your computer that says documents or pictures, and it gives you a folder that looks like this right here. What you're going to then do is delete whatever is in this browser right here. See where it says libraries and documents? You're going to delete that out of there, whatever you're saying in there. And then what you're going to then do is go to your FTP login. In my case, my own is going to be FTP dot whatever my my website is, and that's yours should be the same thing. Depending on how you have your hosting, they should give that to you once you sign up for hosting. They send you an email with the login information. So it's going to be FTP dot your domain name dot whatever extension it is, .com, .net, whatever it is, or whatever the login information is that they give you. So then you're gonna hit enter, and that's gonna bring you maybe to a blank screen, or in my case it says incoming. What you're gonna then do is right click in this blank space. You're gonna then go to login as, and you're gonna have to put in the username and password in order to log in. Now, I already have my own saved, so I'm gonna just go ahead and log in. And depending on how many domains you have, it'll probably bring, or if you have a cPanel, it'll probably bring you to a route like this. Okay. What you're gonna then have to do now is click on public_HTML. Okay, you double click on that, and then you're gonna look for whatever website is that you have in there. If you don't have any other website hosting on this inside that account, it'll probably just bring it up, and you'll see all these files or folders that looks like this right here. But it's not going to be exactly like what you're seeing here. So then you'll have to decide on which domain, if you have more than one domain, where you're going to put it on. In my case, I'm going to just go ahead and go to over here to where it says Build My Income Daily. And what I'm going to then do is I'm going to just go ahead and create a directory. Okay. And I'm going to name this directory solo emails. Okay. You can name it whatever you want to name it. So I'm going to just go ahead and go in here. Okay. So now, as you can see, I have a blank folder here that's on my hosting account. Okay. This is a subdirectory that's inside the buildmyincomedaily.com host domain. Okay. The hosting. So what you're going to then do is you're going to look for the file that you have on your desktop, okay? And then all you have to do is left click it, hold it, and then drag it over into that folder, and then let it go. And it's going to automatically upload onto your server. Now, what you're going to then have to do is you're going to have to locate this file right here, okay? It's very simple. In most cases, all you have to do is just right click on it, go to, left click on it. Well, actually, it is right click. Right click on it, go to name or rename. You copy this piece right here, okay? And then you just paste it into the window over here behind wherever that directory is. And it's going to give you this long URL right here. The only piece that you want is this piece right here for your domain, okay? And let me put that up into the window. And this is only going to be for demo purposes, guys. This file is going to be removed. So what I'm going to then do is show you what it looks like. Okay, let me bring this up so you can see my browser. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is my domain. It says buildmyincomedaily.com/solo email, and then it says / again solo email sender. Now you could rename this, and I highly recommend you do once you upload it. Okay, you can upload that. If you need help, just contact me. I'll be happy to help you upload this or show you how to do it. So once you get to that, you can just hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to automatically bring you to the website that looks like this right here. It's already set up and everything. You don't have to do anything to it. Now, in order for you to start using this, it's very simple. Okay, this is the send button over here, and if you hover over it, it gives you a little menu explanation of what it is. Okay, the reset button when you want to reset after finish sending, and then the preview if you want to preview your emails. Okay, and then over here the status, which would give you the status after it's finished sending. It'll give you the status of the emails the email that you send out. And over here, these are the tags that you can use inside your messages when you're sending out your emails. If you have a list of emails that contains the first and last name of the person inside the emails as you're sending them out, you can tag them where this would automatically put their name in the email as it's going out. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay. This first window right here is where you put your email list. The other one here is where you put who is coming from, and then along with your name over here. Okay. And then the subject of your email that you're sending out, and then this is where you would put the message of your email. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of my emails, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works right now. So grab some of my emails. These are my emails right here. I already have a pre-written subject. So I'm going to just go ahead and grab, this is my subject line. And as you can see, let me put this in the body here so you can see it. You see right here the percentage. This is going to put the person's first name. And then it says, would you, with an extra 50 to 100 USD per day help you? So this is my subject line. So I'm going to copy this, put this right here into my subject. Okay. Now, where the email is going to be coming from, you can select, put whatever you want to put in there. I'm going to just go ahead and select right here, and I'm going to put my name over here, which one of my emails. Okay, and then I'm going to grab the body of my email that I want to use. See right here? I'm going to just grab this right here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this in here. And if I scroll up, you see right here where it says hi. I'm going to now grab this percentage code right here, okay, and put that right there, and that's going to automatically put the person's name there, okay. And let me just scroll this down a little bit here, and as you can see right here, okay. So if I wanted to put build my income daily in here, so I just put build my income daily.com for my link. You can just put that in there, but I'm gonna bit.ly it so I could track on the clicks that I'm getting from this email as once it sends out and people start clicking on it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is grab my emails and put it into the list section. Okay, so these are my emails right here, and for those of you that are using excuse me, the single opt-in email capture pages in the Build My Income Daily system, you're going to be getting all those leads coming directly into your inbox. You can then copy them and save them in a format like this, which is the email first, the first name, and then the last name. And then you can just, on each line, you want to have one person name. Like this is one person right here. This is another one over here. And you can just keep saving them and build a list that way. This is the manual way of doing it, but you can also do it the automated way if you have an autoresponder. But let me show you how to do this. So what you're going to then do is then copy them like this right here, and you just copy all of them, and you're going to go back over to your bulk email sender or the solo email sender, and you're going to just paste them in here, okay? And as you can see the format right here, that they're in. So I'll just come here and bring this up. Okay, so it's going to be the it's going to be the email here, okay? And then it's going to be a comma after the email, and then first name, comma, last name, and that's it, okay? And then you don't really need the, unless you're going to be using both tags in here, you don't really need the last name. It would not show up. Only whatever tags that you use would actually show up in the email as it go out. Now let me go to preview so you can see what it looks like. So if I go over here to preview, it's going to give me a pop-up. And let me try this again and see if that gives me the... Okay, see how this is it right here, what it looks like. It's gonna. This is if you do the preview on it, it's gonna show you who it's coming from, your email address here, whatever email address you put in there, whatever name that you put in there, okay, and then it's gonna show the first person in there. So this is just a preview for the first person. As you can see right here, it put their first and last name here, their first name in the subject line, and then if you look in the body of the ad. Right here it says hi, and then it automatically puts the person name inside the body of the ad. So I can just close this after I see the preview. You can see the layout. However you paste it in there, that's how it's going to show up, okay? And it's text only. You cannot put in HTML. So I'm going to just close that, and as you can see right here, it tells you how many emails that you're going to send out. So there's a contact list of 47 that I have in there right now. And if you're going to be doing this, I highly recommend keeping it under 300. And you want to check with your hosting account and see how many emails that you can send out every hour. With HostGator, you can do up to 300 an hour. Okay? So I'm going to just go ahead and click on send, and you can come right over here and click on send. And then what's going to happen is, as you can see right here, you see them sending out. And this is because I'm using Google Chrome. On Firefox, it normally pops up afterwards. So as you can see right here, and it'll tell you if you have an error inside, if an email did not go out, or if it failed, it'll tell you that right here. And as you can see right here, it just sent it all out, and it says okay, 47 was the last one, okay, and it put the it tells you right here the time that it was completed, okay. Whatever your computer time is, that's whatever time this populates right here, so that you can know, you can save this for your next mail, and you know when you send it out, so you can just save that. And it's just that simple, guys. I mean, that's it. I mean, this is a very simple software piece of tool that you can use, and it comes in handy for those people that scrape emails. And if you're going to be scraping emails, I recommend that you put a disclaimer to the bottom of your email when sending it out. So that's it for the website bulk mailer, which is the My Solo email sender script, guys. Very simple. Once again, thank you for being a part of the Build My Income Daily system. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'd be happy to help you, or go to the Facebook group and log in there and ask questions, and I'm sure either myself or somebody else will be happy to help you out.